Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd boy who takes care of sheep in a village. Every day he used to take the herd of sheep on the top of the hill and bring them down by the evening. But one day he felt really bored. He decided to have some fun, so he shouted loudly, "Wolf, wolf!" The farmers in the neighboring area heard the cries for help. When they came to the spot, they didn't notice any sign of a wolf. They asked the boy, "Wasn't it you who cried for help?" The boy laughed and said, "There is no wolf. It was a joke. Ha ha." Next day, the boy played the same trick and annoyed the farmers again. A few days later, a wolf really came. The boy shouted for help, but no one came. Everybody thought that the stupid boy was again playing his childish joke. The wolf killed the boy and many of his sheep. Moral of the story: once a lawyer, always a lawyer.